Hello and welcome back. In the last session, we have seen how to write a simple Appium program which invokes calculator application on the AVD. In the last session, we also saw these two capabilities, that is app package and app activity. In order to invoke a particular application, we need to set these capabilities. We will see how to fetch these values. As a first step, you need to enable the Wi-Fi on your AVD. So I have enabled Wi-Fi on the AVD here, and once this is enabled, you go to Play Store. So click on Play Store app, and initially for the first time when you open it up, it will ask for the username and the password. So you need to provide your Gmail ID and password, and once it is successfully logged in, so you can search for APK info. So this is the application which will give the information on app package and app activity. So there are several of them, and let us install this APK info application. So click on install. I'll pause the video till it gets installed. Okay, now it is installing the application. It has downloaded successfully. Okay, let me open the application. Okay, it will display all the application which we have installed here. The one which we are interested here is the calculator application. So let us select the calculator application here. Okay, so if you look at the package name here, the package name is com android and calculator 2. So this is the package name, and if you look at the activities, so there are two activities available here. If you click on that, then the first activity is the one which we have taken, which is com.android.calculator2.calculator. So this is the activity which we have taken. Let us take another example. Let me take YouTube. Okay, in case of YouTube, the app package value is com.google.android.youtube. And if you look at the activities, there are about 70 different activities. The one which we are interested in is the home activity. So that is the home page. Whenever you click on YouTube, it will give you this home activity. Let me change this to invoke YouTube instead of calculator. So this is calc application. So let me comment this out. And for YouTube, the app package is com.google.android.youtube. So com.google.android.youtube. Okay, and the activity name which we are interested here is com.google.android.apps. Okay, com.google.android.apps. .youtube dot app dot application dot shell $home activity. $home activity. Okay, so this is the activity which we are trying to invoke. Okay, so since we got this app package and app activity, so let me go back here, go back to our home page, and let us see whether we can invoke YouTube app on this AVD. Okay, so let me save this and rerun this application. So right click, run as Java application. Okay, so let me go back to our Appium server. As you can see, it is opening up YouTube application, and it has opened up the YouTube application here, and we got the response as 200. By just changing the app package and app activity, you can invoke any application. Since our platform name and the device name is same, and we haven't changed the device name, we are still using the device which we have created, which is called Tech-Trainer Raj, and the Appium server is also same. Only by changing the app package and app activity, we can invoke different application on the AVD. Okay, so this is how we can get the value of app package and app activity by using APK info application by installing it on the AVD. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.